my mommies, it's your girl Davita Catherine, coming back to you with another video. I am in my Cricut design space and I am going to be creating t-shirts, and I thought I would record and show you guys how I do it. So I am here on the project board and I am going to hit text. Make sure that you can see that. Okay. So I'm gonna hit the text box. It pops up here and I'm going to write "we still do," and it should come up. Well, actually what I want to do is I want to put it in cap locks. We okay, so once it loads, you see it's going to be loading over here. And what I'm going to do is now just click on it. I'm just going to bring it up so you guys can see it. So I'm going to hit the unlock button. And I'm going to hit the font because I want to give it more of a prettier font. I like this one, so let's see how this one looks. If it's gonna change. Nope, I like this one. Okay, so we're gonna do "we still do." As a matter of fact, I'm actually gonna change this, and you learn as you go. So I'm gonna do a text box for "we still," and I'm gonna make that big. Now I'm gonna make that small. And then I'm gonna open up another text box, and then I'm gonna put the word "do." So that way I can make this one a lot bigger. Does anybody else's kids love that show, Super Why? Okay, so this is what it looks like. Okay. Now, on the same board, I'm gonna click Images. And it should load to the images. Why is it not? Okay, there we go. My laptop is like really slow today. So I'm gonna hit Categories. And all your categories should come up like this. I'm gonna search. Oh, it's telling me I can't. Why? My youngest baby just woke up. Hopefully she doesn't start crying and I can finish this on camera. Okay, so here's Wedding. I'm gonna click on Wedding. I don't know why the other ones didn't come up. So I'm in Wedding right now, and what I am looking for is a wedding ring, which that image should cut on a different board because it's gonna be cut with 2 different papers, and I'm gonna show you guys how. Oh, they have that one, but no. Okay, so I'm gonna choose this one. And I'm actually just gonna leave it this size because on the photo that I'm actually gonna make it smaller, because on the photo that she gave me, it was really small at the top. So this is how I'm gonna keep it. So all of this is done, everything is cut and separated. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to hit make it. So when you hit make it, it should sort out to the different mats, just like this. And you want to make sure that you hit mirror because you're doing a t-shirt. Always hit mirror when you are doing shirts. So it's going to go backwards like this. Make sure that everything is still what you want, and then you're going to hit continue. So I'm going to go over to my Cricut, and then I'm going to show you the rest of the steps. Okay guys, so I am back. Everything is now cut and printed. So this is what it's going to look like. And also just a quick note, you want to have your vinyl set the shiny side faced down. So that's just a note. So everything is cut, and then I have my weeding tool here, and what I am going to do is I'm going to find a space that I can get under. So the this Cricut brand paper, it comes with the transfer paper already attached to it. So what you're going to do is you're just going to carefully pull away like all of your edges and things like that, so you can get the shape of your objects out. And once you start pulling back this vinyl, you should see the clear paper, so you do want to be careful. And then like you should start seeing your words or your image or whatever it is that you printed start to come out. Okay, so I am going to finish pulling all of this off, and then I'll probably end up coming back to you guys. How's everybody doing? I never even asked that in my videos. How are you doing? Okay, so this is what it's looking like so far. And I'm just, again, going to take my weeding tool, and I'm just going to carve out the middles of it so you can see my letters clearly. And you want to be careful, especially when you are using like scripted letters, because what I just did was I raised the wrong part. So you just want to be mindful, depending on what letters that you're using. The inside fillings are all different. Okay, so I'm not going to show you guys the part with me ironing it on. I do not have the Cricut press thing. I'm hoping to get it soon. So I just use a regular iron. But I am going to fill this in on the shirt, and then I will be back to you guys with the finished product. Alright, be back. Hey guys, so this is the final look at the project. I think it came out really, really nice. I wish I would have did it just a little bit bigger, but because the shirt is so big, but I think it still came out really nice. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please, 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 please leave a thumbs up, comment. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Love you guys.